Hi, it's Eva here at Stafford Land Rover. Today I'm going to be taking you around this approved used Land Rover Velar D200 Dynamic HSE. This vehicle features a 2-litre diesel engine which is seamlessly mated to an automatic gearbox and is seen here today in Arroios grey. Let's begin our journey from the front of this vehicle, where you'll find the Pixel LED headlights with signature daytime running lights. Cascading on the sides of the vehicle, you're going to find further features which are all a courtesy of the black exterior pack, as it sits with utmost pride on a set of upgraded 22-inch gloss black alloy wheels. To the rear of the vehicle, you will notice your privacy glass, ensuring all contents and passengers are safe from prying eyes, as well as the sleek look of your rear LED tail lights. Opening the power tailgate, which can also be done via a single press of the key, will reveal a vast and versatile amount of boot space. To the left and the right of the vehicle, you're going to find easy to use hooks as well as extra storage space. Rear passengers are certainly going to be impressed with their ebony perforated Windsor leather recline rear seats. And glimpsing into the cockpit reveals your 14-way heated electric memory front seats, ensuring every journey is as comfortable as the last. Taking close up now, your leather heated multifunctional steering wheel, your 11.4-inch PIVI Pro touchscreen. To finalise our journey by looking up to see your fully sliding panoramic sunroof. This has been a presentation of the approved used Land Rover Velar, which we have here at our dealership. For more information on this vehicle, do not hesitate to contact our friendly sales team today. Thank you for watching, and we cannot wait to help you find your next Land Rover.